Welcome to the MozyPro tutorials. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to install MozyPro on a Windows computer using both Firefox and Internet Explorer. In order to install MozyPro on your computer, you must first register for a MozyPro business account and have a license key. Once you have completed the registration process, you will receive an email from support@mozypro.com, which contains a link that lets you download the MozyPro installer and a license key to activate your account. You can also download the installer by going to mozy.com/pro/download and clicking on the MozyPro for Windows link. In this example, let's click on the link in the MozyPro Activation key email to install the client. If your web browser is Internet Explorer, a window will open asking you if you want to run or save this file. Click Run to start downloading the MozyPro client. When the download is completed, click Run. The MozyPro Setup wizard opens. If you are using Firefox, click on the link in the email and click Save to start downloading the MozyPro client. When the download has completed, double-click on the Mozy executable in the download window and click OK. When asked if you want to run this file, click Run. The MozyPro Setup wizard opens. By default, MozyPro is installed to C, Program Files, MozyPro. We recommend that you use the default installation location. If you want to change the installation location, check the box adjacent to Choose a different install location. Click Next. You can read the full license agreement using the scroll bar on the side of the wizard window, and if you accept the terms of the agreement, click Install. The install begins and the status window shows the progress. When the files have finished copying, you are prompted to sign in. Enter your license key and email address. The license key can be found at the bottom of the activation key email that you received from Mozy. If you have mislaid the email, your account administrator can resend the license key to you. If you are the account administrator and need help resending the license key, take a look at the tutorial How to Resend a User's License Key through the Admin Console. Enter your license key and email address. Click Next. The Create Password window opens. Enter your name and the password you want to use with this account. Re-enter the password and click Next. The login process begins. Mozy confirms your account and searches your computer for files to back up. When finished, Mozy displays the Select Files window that allows you to select files for backup and change the encryption method. Mozy by default uses a standard encryption key. However, if you wish to use a private encryption key, click Change Encryption. To select files for backup, check the box next to the backup set that you want to back up. For example, if you check Spreadsheets and Databases, all files matching this backup set's rules will be backed up. Click Next. The setup is now complete. If you want to add or remove files for backup, you can do so by clicking on Settings. It is important to remember that if you select a large amount of data for backup, your initial backup may take days or even weeks to complete, as it is dependent on the amount of data you have selected for backup and your internet upload speed. You will need to be patient, but remember, once the initial backup completes, future backups will only take a few minutes. Click Finish to save your choices and start your first backup. When your first backup finishes, the status window displays. Thanks for joining us for this tutorial. We hope you have found it useful. For more information and other tutorials, please visit us at support.mozy.com.